guys, take a look at this seat on this Polaris Ranger here. Maybe like a 2014 400 HL. So I've done like pressure cleaning for like 100 years or less. Had my own pressure cleaning business, whatever. And I want to go ahead and show you guys like how to clean this off. I got like soap and chlorine in here. I'm sorry, bleach. And just be aware if you do use like bleach, chlorine is corrosive on metal, so like something to think about. Good your own risk, maybe rinse it off good, whatever. But I want to go ahead and like clean this up some. It's looking a little yeah. So let me go ahead and put the camera over. Give me a moment here. Yeah, got this little tripod thing. So go ahead and hopefully that should be good. All right, so I have bleach soap. I've already put soap and bleach in here. Let me go ahead and put some more. Basically what I want is I want to get the bleach and soap on there and kind of like start soaking in. Be aware of like clothing. If you're concerned about your seatbelts, just be aware of that if you're concerned. See how you look at like now. You might not want to do that to your tire. So yeah, do this at your own risk. But I want to go ahead and clean it up. And this Polaris Ranger has been a huge amount of fun. I've used it for work. It's really an amazing machine. And if you want an easier way to put the chlorine bleach on, bleach soap on, you might want to use like a pump sprayer or something. If you want to get it on like a little bit easier. This is kind of like what I'm doing right now. But if I'm not like happy, like with how it turns out, whatever, who knows? Like I could use a sprayer or something. So there's something about like the combination of bleach and soap together that is like absolutely amazing. Do be aware like about touching it. I think it just touched me. Yeah, just be aware. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I don't like that nastiness on the seat. But if you're concerned about your seat belts, weakening, discoloring, think about that. Maybe you shouldn't do it. So, but you do want to, if you are going to do it this way, it really is important to get it off. You don't want like this kind of stuff sitting on the metal. You want to rinse it really thoroughly. So, something you might want to think about. And then maybe what I'll do, maybe I'll just go ahead and like, when I'm done scrubbing, maybe I'll just kind of pour the last bit on or something, see what happens. Yeah, definitely if you have like a sprayer, that might work out for you a little bit easier. You might want to consider that. But do want this thing cleaned up. Now, if you miss a spot or something, maybe just go over it again if you want to. So there's not a whole lot left here, but all right. Get the water. It is gonna need like a pretty thorough rinse. Get all this stuff off. I don't really want to get splashed with the bleach soap. Go ahead and try to get some off. Also, just be aware, bleach you might weaken the rope. You have one, so think about that. And maybe I'll take the camera and show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Here's the tripod too. So yeah, I'd like to get it pretty clean. I don't want that, at least I don't want the bleach on it, like on the metal. right, guys, so let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. It looks a lot better. The seat looks a lot better. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I did do a lot of rinsing. You guys like this? Like the video I did, please give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I actually won this Polaris Ranger in a raffle. It's really a blessing from the Lord. I bought one ticket. It was a $25 ticket, I believe. And God told me, He told me, and I bought one ticket. He helped me think of it. So God told me, and I bought one ticket and I won. And this is really a blessing from the Lord. Super cool. This hitch is like, wow. Actually need to, if I am going to use this, I may need to put it in there. May need to fix it a little bit, but it's pretty heavy duty. So yeah, guys, Polaris Ranger is awesome, but go ahead and look at the seat. Do you guys remember that stuff all over it? And it looks like way better. Maybe you want to see it from this side. So see, it looks pretty good. I do want to tell you guys about something. If you guys have a Polaris, or like a ATV, there's a Honda Pioneer, you guys might want something to do to protect your radiator. If you're like flying through the brush, you really don't want to get like a stick like in your radiator. And so what I did, I just I actually bought this thing and I kind of made it myself, so it can help protect my radiator. You really don't want to be driving like miles away from home, and well, it might be kind of inconvenient and maybe even hurt the motor. It's may not be a good idea to have it overheat on you. So anyways, guys, if you guys like the video, how to clean it, you have any tips, anything about how to not let the seats get dirty besides parking it indoors or something, please put it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, and God bless you.